I just found the coincidence on YouTube. Guys, look at it. I'm gonna show you it. Just wait. Look at it. These two, these two. Yeah. They're much the same. Like the like this is like this, and the Sakura School Simulator, and her post is like this. See that? Wait, it's super. So, so there. Now you can see my face. Beautiful face. Beautiful. So, guys, the piece is like this. Wait, this. Okay. And the girl in Sakura Simulator. You know, I just explained, but you just can't see my body. So here, it's her pose. So what? Like if it's a subscribe if subscribe if it is not a coincidence, if it's not. Oh my gosh. And like if it's not. Ito na, hindi na ano. Magalang ka na. Coincidence na, nahulog. Coincidence. Like. Yung hindi coincidence, Aldi mag-ano ko na lang. Mag-subscribe ka na lang. So, like, if you can do this, I heard 50% lang ng word na kaya nito. Ano tinitig mo dyan? 3 minutes na kung nag-ano ka pa rin. Bahala ka na nga dyan, bye.